Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of US dollar Japanese yen. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame and the most popular time frame in the Forex community. As we all know, the NFP report came out yesterday and there was some mixed result. Okay. The job has increased from 7,25,000 to 8,50,000, which was pretty surprising. But on the other hand, the unemployment rate has rose from 5.8 to 5.9%. As a result, the US dollar did not move the way we were hoping, and there was some selling pressure on the US dollar. But still, the chart of US dollar looks pretty bullish, pretty good, and still we can hope that after a short pullback it will be going up again. I'm not discussing about the US dollar again because I have already discussed about the US dollar on my other videos as well. I am tired. So therefore, when there was some sell off on the US dollar, we also saw some selling pressure on the US dollar Japanese yen chart as well. But the good thing about the US dollar Japanese yen chart is that though there was some selling pressure yesterday after the NFP report, but still the market has not lost the overall structure. Okay, the overall structure of the market is still intact. Still, you can clearly see on the chart that market still looks pretty good. The chart looks still bullish and the market is in uptrend. There is no doubt about it. And if you observe the chart carefully, then the good thing that happened after the sell-off is that market was trading here, okay, and now we will get a better price to go for a buy order. Okay, so considering all these factors, okay, considering this factor, the sell off, and this factor also, the stochastic RSI, which is also coming down to the oversold territory. So considering all these factors, we can hope that we will get some good opportunity to trade on US dollar Japanese yen. Just we got the opportunities here and here. So what should be a strategy on Japanese US dollar Japanese yen? For that, I'll have to bring these lines here. Right now you can clearly see that market is following this trend line as the support. Okay. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend of the market. So never ever trade against the market, and we can clearly see on the chart that this market is in uptrend, and in an uptrend market like this we should mainly look for buying opportunities. If you're planning to short the market here, then that will be a very bad decision, because if you short the market here, your SL will be here and this will be your TP, take profit target, and you can clearly see that your risk to reward ratio does not match, and you will also be compromising with the trading discipline. Therefore, following the thumb rule, you should mainly look for buying opportunities in this type of chart. Okay. Secondly, as I've already talked in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, the area of value or the best trading opportunity. As we all know, the area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support. And in this market, the area of value or the support is this trend line. In your charting platform also, you just draw this trend line if you do not have drawn till yet, so that it becomes easier for you to understand the chart. Okay, so please draw this trend line in your charting platform. If you are not comfortable with a 4-hour chart, you can also switch to 1-hour chart. Okay, and you can join the dots again. You'll get the same thing and the same result. I'm much more comfortable with the 4-hour chart. That's why I mainly make videos on the 4-hour chart only. Hopefully you don't mind. Anyways, okay, we have the area of value right now. Therefore, our duty is to wait for the perfect opportunity. As I always say, do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Here, we will have to wait for the market to come down to this trend line. So let the market open on Monday and just see how the price is doing, where the price is going. If you see prices going up from here, okay, If you see price is going up from here, price reversing from here only, still I'll say that you should not go for buy order here if price reverses also, because if you buy here, your stop loss will be here, and again your risk to reward ratio does not match. You'll be compromising with the trading discipline. You may need to wait for 1 or 2 days. You should wait, but you should not compromise with the trading discipline at any cost. Okay, for our in this chart of US dollar Japanese yen, the only trading opportunity or the best trading opportunity is to wait for it to come down to this level only, to the support level. And as we all know, no market moves in a straight line, no market comes down in a straight line. Market always moves in a zigzag pattern. Therefore, market will be coming down to this level. It may take few days, okay, or few hours, nobody knows, but still you'll need to wait for the perfect opportunity. For that, you need to wait for USDjpy to come down to the support level only. Only then you will get the best trading price. So once it comes down to the support level, then just observe the price. Do not buy right away. Once it hits the support level or the trend line, then just observe how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that market is respecting this trend line, if you see some price rejection from below, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, USDjpy is still following this trend line, this dynamic support. It is still respecting this support. Then you can go for buy order. On the other hand, if it crosses this trend line, do not buy, do not short, just observe. Okay, and if you see that after some time or after a few hours it is crossing this trend line again, then you can go for buy order. But until and unless you get the confirmation, you are convinced that market is respecting the trend line as a valid support, as a proper support, as a brother, as a soulmate, you should not click on the buy button. And in this type of chart setup, you should not think about shorting opportunities. Clear? Okay. And lastly, I would like to take you to the Forex sentiment meter. Forex sentiment meter you'll find in my website avilashhajarika.com, and under Forex 101 section you will find the Forex sentiment meter, and you can see that 72% retail traders have taken short position and 27% retail traders have taken long position, and they have taken short position at 108.56.82. most most of the retail traders have shorted a position here. Okay, they have shorted the market here, and right now you can clearly see that market is in a clear uptrend. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they do not follow the market, they do not follow the trend of the market. As a result, they lose money. Okay, they just think that okay, market has reached the bottom, market has reached the top, market will reverse now. They just trade on assumptions. You should never trade on assumptions. You should trade with logic and proper reasoning and proper technical setup. Right now you can clearly see that market is in clean uptrend, market is an uptrend following this trend line, and here you can clearly see that 72% traders have still taken short position and they are continuing their short position. So that is completely a foolish decision, is not it? So you should not make the same mistake. Okay, so trade wisely and trade with proper caution, and please follow proper risk management. Hopefully you have understood that you need to follow this trend line, and you should only buy at this trend line only if you see that market is respecting this trend line. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.